Alright guys, we're going to show you how to drill holes for your carbon fiber fender. I start with putting some hose, 1/4 inch, maybe 3/16 at the smallest. You can go bigger if you want a little bit more gap off the tire. It's your choice. Obviously do that so it doesn't rub on anything. Get the tabs lined up in the lower fork tube holes where I like it. I try to get it to look nice on the tire as best as I can. Then I'm going to get a 5/16 drill bit and I'm going to go all right through there. I'm just making a little mark. I'm not drilling the whole hole. I just want to get kind of an idea where I want to be. So, you can see what I did. That's it. Just a little something there, so I know where to go. Good. So, you're going to be taking this thing on and off a few times. That's how I do it. So now I'm going to go, if you're not comfortable using a drill bit, then I don't know what to tell you. Okay. Here's your hardware kit that comes with your carbon fiber fender. This is free, comes with it, no extra charge. The bolt I put in on that first hole to tighten everything up is a 5/16 2.5 inch coarse thread bolt. You get four spacers, 4 nylocks, 4 washers. So now we're going to put it back on. Gonna get your washer. With your spacer. Washer. Okay, 1/4 inch Allen, 1/2 inch rim. Alright, so now we're going to kind of get it pretty close to where we want it. Pretty good there on that side. Let's go around the other side. Take a look at the front, see if it looks pretty good. It does. Now we're going to do the same thing on the rear hole on the other side. Everything looks pretty good right now, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other holes. Well, what you can do is just do the rear 2 holes, take it off, do the holes all the way through, put it back on, and then adjust it to where you feel like you like where it's at. You know, tire, reveal, you know, it's kind of personal preference. I like where this is at right now, so I'm going to drill my other 2 holes, put the bolts in, and mount it.